Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming access to the switch and having admin credentials ready. Log in via console or SSH. Once connected, check running config to find existing trunks and native Vlan. Next, decide Vlan ID and names, Vlan 10 for users, Vlan 20 for guests, for example. You should export or copy the current configuration. This is your rollback. Once done, enter privileged mode so you can create Vlan and modify interfaces without interruptions. Do not skip the backup. You now create Vlan in configuration mode and give them clear names so troubleshooting is faster. Use the Vlan ID and name commands, then move to interface config to set ports to access and assign the correct Vlan ID. For uplink ports, configure trunk mode and explicitly allow only the Vlan needed. Set the native Vlan to match the network policy. Make sure to save each step in running config and verify with show commands so changes persist, and you can validate connectivity as you proceed. You finish by verifying every change. Run show Vlan to confirm creation, show interfaces status to check assignments, and show trunk to verify allowed Vlan. Once validated, save the running configuration to startup so it survives reboots. Test connectivity from hosts in each Vlan and confirm inter-Vlan routing if required. If traffic fails, first check native Vlan mismatches and trunk allowed lists. These cause most problems. Finally, if needed, roll back to the backup config and reapply changes incrementally to.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.